Hey there, Elias here from Infuse Health. Just want to run you guys through the workout of this week, okay? First exercise, a Cossack squat. Remember, it's not about how low your head goes, it's about how low your hips will go. And it doesn't need to go far at all, okay? Find your balance, and then move to the other side. Okay? Second exercise. Once again, I'll grab my dinosaur towel, and I want you guys to be here. Find an angle, and then you will pull it. Your feet will match the resistance you are imposing with your hands. So you'll be pulling, and your feet will be resisting for 10 seconds. Okay? So how it will work? We have 8 minutes to complete those 2 exercises. So you go 5 on each side, 1, 2,